place we can return to that we haven't left in flames. He's going back to where his wife lays, to say, darling, it ain't me, it's the whiskey does them terrible, terrible things. When they laid you down in the ground, I could not forgive myself or let go of this pain. When they catch me crying in the graveyard over your tombstone, 'cause darling, that's a terrible thing. How do you pick up all the pieces of so many shattered years? He can still hear his wife yelling inside his ear, saying, please dear, but darling, it ain't me, it's the whiskey does them terrible, terrible things. When they laid you down in the ground, I could not forgive myself or let go of this pain. When they catch me crying in the graveyard